Hello guys, my name is Sandeep Kumar Patel. I am gonna be submit my first assessment task, which are the we have to host one static website on the cloud, which is use some GitHub action. Based on the some GitHub action, they are gonna be perform CI/CD pipeline, and they're gonna be show at the end all the user they're gonna be see the this website. So this is the problem statement. So inside they are gonna be mentioned to use AWS cloud build and other other things gonna be used for this demonstration purpose. I am gonna be to show how to do the all the activities. So for this demonstration purpose, I have to created one flow diagram, which is the show how to do this all the task. For this one purpose, inside the task I have to use some we have to use some component. They are going to be perform, and there is gonna be a component gonna be connect to each other. It means we have to use first github repository for the code storage purpose. I'm gonna be second component I'm gonna be use a second things I'm gonna be use it code build component inside the AWS native service are there to build a code. And second things I'm gonna be use S3 bucket inside S3 bucket I'm gonna be created. So this demonstration purpose I have to create two S3 bucket, one bucket to store artifact, and second second bucket gonna be created to show the destination code gonna be represented. And this destination I'm gonna be enable S3 web hosting service. It means static website hosting service I'm gonna be enables. And all the activities gonna be automated. So I am using code pipeline. I'm gonna be use code pipeline inside all the activities. So these are the flowchart diagram I'm gonna be show. So this is the how to do this task. First, developer to submit the code, and submit the code is means code gonna be committed. And once code gonna be committed, they are gonna be pushed inside the GitHub. So code gonna be come inside the GitHubs. So based on the GitHubs, they are using some actions. It means we have to use webhooks for the action. So this action related we our code build gonna be start gonna be performing. So this is the code build gonna be taking action. So this is taking the code and store the store the our inside the S3 artifact S3 artifact gonna be stored. It means they are created. So once this code gonna be completed, so pipeline gonna be started. So this is the pipeline gonna be started. And for the end all the things gonna be completed. So final deployment gonna be S3. This code gonna be completed, and based on the public URL, all the user can do see the all the action. So this code is show this is the our final code is it means final final code gonna be show here. For this demonstration purpose, I have to create some it means I have to create some AWS services. First I have to create it inside the S3 bucket. I have to create two S3 bucket. First one, Sandeep test code artifact. It means this inside the VR store S3 VR store artifact. And the last one we have to create a destination. It means there we are gonna be show our destination bucket. So one by one we have to see. First we have to come inside this bucket gonna be it now is empty. So inside we have to enable only one things. We have to enable only versioning. We have to enable, we want to save every time gonna be code commit gonna be, it means a code pipeline gonna be create run. So every time gonna be new version they are created, and older version gonna be also be gonna be state. So this purpose we have to enable a versioning service. And second S3 bucket are there. So we have to show the destination code we have to enable this. So inside the property we have to enable two things. First we have to enable versioning. Inside the we have to enable a versioning. The second most important things, we have to use static website hosting using S3. So we have to also gonna be, we have to enable. So after the enable this service, so we have to got one URL. So this URL gonna be have to, so if we are click here, so this things gonna be show. It means now code is not gonna be present here, so not show anything, so given the 404 error. So this one person we have created. So and the permission section we have to attach one policy. This policy I'm gonna be attached. So this policy basically to show all the public access gonna be, I'm gonna be allow for this task related, I'm gonna be allow all the things. And for the specific purpose we have to restricted some IP address and other things gonna be update in the future. We have to record, we gonna be changes. So for this demonstration purpose I have to enable and allow all the effects inside are gonna be, we have to allow. So this is the S3 bucket service gonna be created. And second component gonna be, we have to use a code build service. So inside code build we have to create one code build project. We have to given the name code build project name. So inside we have to taking action by the GitHubs, and this is my GitHub repository are there and other things gonna be started. So I have to created this task also. And all the CI/CD part related I have to created S3. It means I have to created a pipeline. So here is my pipeline. So pipeline 2 3 is my pipeline name is there. So inside pipeline I have to taking 3 stages. So first stage source. It means inside the we have to take in a source based on the GitHub action. We have to take in the source code. So this gonna be happen. This thing's gonna be happened. And other parties build gonna be happen. So we have to integrate to code build deployment gonna be we are using. And third stage we have to deploy in S3 bucket. So these are the 3 steps gonna be we gonna be use. So these are the green symbol are show, it means we have to tested so previous code. So that's why it's a green tick happened. If once first time we have to create it, this not show in the green ticks, they are showing other things. So this thing is gonna be happen. For the all the code related I'm gonna be use one GitHub repository. Its name web app hosting. So this is my repository name. So inside repository we have to upload one website which is simply is HTML page are there, some CSS and JavaScript code are inside the present, and some image also gonna be present. So for the showing that in this demonstration purpose. So all the task related. So I have to create I have to create this folder. So inside folder we have to take first we have to take this code in our local repository in local computer. So we have to click here and come to this folder. This is my folder name. So inside we have to open our git bash terminal we have to open, and fire first command we have to clone first one. So we have to use git clone and paste our git URL. So this is the our URL. It means our code gonna be come in our system. So we have to see this is our code. And this is code, all the file and all things we have to come in my computer in local computer. So this purpose we have to open a Visual Studio. We have to open this code inside the Visual Studio code. For the some modification gonna be changes to see how to all the things gonna be happen. So first we have to come in this directory. So use cd command. So we have to come inside the repository. So first we have to update some things. So this is the this things gonna be happened. So we have to use, let's suppose that we have to do first changes gonna be done, and we have to given a version name is 1. Only I have to one things gonna be have to change these things. And we have to use some, first we have to add this code in our repository, and after that we have to use git commit -1 m is given the message, just like I have given the fifth commit I'm gonna be given. Our commit gonna be done, and after that we have to use git push command. So once code gonna be push and we have to refresh this page, we have to modify only one page. A page name is index.html. Let's see here, fifth commit gonna be happened, and same time our pipeline gonna be pipeline gonna be taking the action. First action gonna be completed as build gonna be start. So we have to see all the things gonna be how to do. It's taking some time. It's taking 2 to 3 minutes to complete the all the task. The first step gonna be completed. Source or come inside my repository. It means my S3 bucket gonna be stored this repository. After that we gonna be build gonna be started. So this code gonna be start a build. So for this purpose we have to create a two bucket. First bucket we have to store artifacts. So we have to click here, and now gonna be empty. First we have to refresh this page. So based on the pipeline names, so they are created one is folder. Inside folder we have to store two they are gonna be stored two things. First things they gonna be store uh, build and source artifact and build artifact, both are they are created two section. So first we have to see how to look like a source code. So this is the source code we have created. We have to enable a zip folder gonna be zip gonna be happened. So this is the zip folder gonna be created. So this is the first version, so that's why they are showing only one code. It means one item is there. So this is also be one item. It build artifact also be gonna be one build artifact or not gonna be created. So this thing's gonna be happened, and other bucket name is destination bucket. So inside bucket they are all things gonna be come here. So it means our pipeline gonna be completed. See, our all the ticks check marks is completed. It means our task gonna be successfully completed. So our pipeline gonna be successful done. So these things gonna be done. So we have to come property section. Inside the property section we have to see this URL. This is a public URL. Anybody can hit and see how to website look like. So we have to click here. So inside the URL they are showing. It means our first change is gonna be done and modified version. This is one. So this is first time we have to see our changes. It means our website how to look like. This is our website. For the look like good looking good interface, so I have to using this URL. It means this website this code gonna be I am to taken inside using internet. So let's suppose that we have to modify some changes, and we have to give an version gonna be second, and this is the second change. I have to changes only two things inside the S2 header tag. We have to only changes first to change second changes done, and modified version is second. I have to doing only two things, and after that we have to do all the things. It means same things. First we have to uh, git add gonna be done, and after that we have to use git commit -m is 6 commit, and done. Commit gonna be done, and after that we have to push this final code inside the repository. This push gonna be happened, and once push is done inside the our master branches meet inside the repository. So we have to refresh this code to check code is commit or not. Yeah, so third commit gonna be happened, and same time the pipeline the pipeline gonna be started. See, first stage also gonna be completed, and second stage gonna be started. This means build gonna be started. So we have to come inside the bucket section. So we have to see same things. We have to see uh, pipeline folder is there. So inside pipeline folder first we have to see the source code. So inside two version are complete. It means two item, two zip folder are there. It means first one is here, second one latest gonna be come in upper. It means second change is gonna be happen. I'm gonna be enable a versioning, so that's why it's showing these types, and these types versioning gonna be show. So same things we have to come inside the build section. So build section also gonna be see all the things is second build gonna be completed. So it means inside the artifact, there all things gonna be come, and we have to wait some time. Yeah, all things gonna be completed and final code will come inside our S3 bucket. So we have to come destination section. It means all the things gonna be present. It means come here. So we have to come here and see this is page, and we have to refresh this page to show a latest changes. See, latest second change is gonna be completed. So it means when we have to we have to changing some things. Let's suppose that we have to go third changes and given the third version, and once all the completed are done, so we have to use again git add and git commit is a seventh commit, and once all things is done, so we have to git push using. So all the task gonna be completed, so all the pipeline again gonna be started. So this is our pipeline. Pipeline gonna be pipeline is running based on the GitHub actions. So all the things gonna be showing. So one by one they gonna be start gonna be show. So first task gonna be completed. We have to show all the stages. We have to wait some time to all the gonna be latest gonna be change gonna be come. Once pipeline is running completely, all the stages run successfully, so the code gonna be completed. So first task gonna be completed. So this task related I have to created this video, and for the documentation related I have to created one ppt for the 2 to 3 lines and some documentation how to this steps gonna be create, this stage gonna be run. So I have to created all the task. So this video we have to done in my side done. Thank you guys, thank you for your times, and we have to created other video for the other task related. Thank you.